Welcome to the second video of this series. I'm in Costa Rica right now and I'm filming 3 vlogs. So this is part 2. If you guys haven't seen part 1, you should watch that first because I'm doing it in order. I'm dividing this trip up into 3 parts. So at the end of the last video, I told you guys we were leaving today. I'll show you guys what I'm wearing, but this is my outfit right now because we're just going to be driving. I'm going to give you guys like a house tour of this next house because it's so pretty. This Airbnb is in the jungle. Alright, so I'm going to go eat breakfast. Okay guys, so we made it to the next house. We were literally driving for more than 5 hours today. I'm gonna give you guys a little tour of this house. It's so cool. We're surrounded by trees and the pool's really pretty. We're gonna be here for 3 nights, so this entire vlog that you're watching right now will be at this house. As you can see behind me, there's so much green. It's so pretty. The house is like all outside. There's like barely any walls, so it's kind of sick. Okay, here's the house, and then the pool's on that side right there. There's also an outside shower over here and so much tile. All the detail is so pretty. So I'm gonna start on this side of the house, which is like the whole outside part. So we have this whole seating area and you come around here. I love all the details. Like look at these shells hanging. And this is definitely my favorite part. This is the pool. I just love the color of it. Look at the trees. You come this way, there's another seating area here, which is really nice as well with the lights, so cute. And let's go back to the front. That was the whole left side of the house, and now we'll go inside here. It smells like essential oils everywhere. It's so nice. But we have this little seating area and then a desk and a bathroom. Over here is the kitchen. This is so cute. We'll go out. This is to the right side of the house. We have these steps to this first floor, which is where 2 rooms are and a little balcony right there. This first room is really pretty. This is where my brothers are gonna sleep. And then this is the other room, which is where me and Tierney are gonna sleep. Here's the bathroom. Oh my god, look at this stained glass. I didn't even see that. So pretty. There's just so much detail. Like it looks so good. This is where that balcony is. And then if we go back to the steps, we'll go to the last room. This room is so pretty. Literally no walls, no windows. It's just all open. There's a hammock. It's literally 4:30. It's so warm still. I took a ton of pictures. I'm gonna edit them. I'm so tired today though. That car ride was so long. Perfect, thank you.
I'm gonna go like this. And then
oh my god.
I'm gonna go. I got this mountain. Oh wait. I wanna fly into a coconut. Perfect.
So next I watched TV with my siblings and edited my video, and then we had pizza for dinner. I was so tired, so I ended up going to sleep pretty soon after this, and our room is so cute.
Good morning guys, so it's the next day. I just finished taking pictures and now I'm going through them. We just took them outside right here, the side of the house, and it's so nice. So I'm going through the millions of pictures I just took. Literally so many. But that's the reality. Like I take like 3,000 pictures until I get one that I actually like. I haven't posted anything on Instagram. I've only posted on my Instagram story so far. What I like to do is post like a day later so that I can edit and go through my pictures, and then I'll post like what I've been doing. So all my pictures are usually posted a day after they're taken, just so I can post the best stuff. This is the swimsuit I'm wearing right now. This pink one, I got it from Pakistan. They sent it to me a long time ago. It's really cute. We're going to the beach in a little bit, but I'm not gonna wear this one. I'm gonna wear the black one that I have.
Oh my god, they're so cute. So next we went to lunch. I ended up having chicken nachos and it was actually so good. And then we headed to the beach. This was one of the nicest beaches I've been to. It had palm trees and the ocean was so warm, so we walked on the beach and we took pictures.
I'm gonna use my disposable camera. I still haven't used it this whole trip, but I'm gonna take my first one right now. All right, we got 27 to go. I wanna get the palm trees and I wanna get the water. Like that looks good. I got one done.
So we walked on the beach and we took pictures. It was so pretty out. We also got a coconut to drink from and it was so good. I'm not a big fan of coconut water, but when it's super fresh like this, it's actually delish.
You guys are so cute.
So after we watched the sunset, then we went back to the house.
Hi everyone, so I'm in the bathroom right now. I am getting ready. We are gonna go out to dinner. We just got back from the beach and I was gonna shower, but I think I'm just gonna shower tonight. I straightened my hair earlier today and I'm shocked that it's kind of still straight. We were at the beach the last few hours. I took some pictures and we watched the sunset. It was so pretty. I think I'm gonna wear this. I'm wearing this blue dress. The lighting in this bathroom is not the best. I don't know what food we're gonna get. I've been having a lot of chicken this week though, so I want to get something without any meat. Chicken's like the only meat I really eat. Hopefully I could find something tonight that's just vegetarian. I also am so worried about getting burned because I got so burned like the first day I laid out in the last vlog. I'm putting on a lot of sunscreen.
Okay, so this is the last day that we're at this house. We woke up so early in the morning to go ziplining. Here was my ziplining outfit. It was actually so fun. We ended up doing like 5 different zip lines. And the first one that we went on was like a surfboard one. So you stand up and you like surf on it down the zip line. And we also did this one where you were at the top of the tree and then you like zip down it. We also got a little break for fruit. We had watermelon and pineapple. And then we did the last zip line where we had to strap into this super cute outfit because we were laying down. So this is what was gonna hold us in. But this one was definitely my favorite. I loved laying down on this zip line and I took this video for you guys so you could see my view of the trees. It was so pretty and green. After zip lining, we went down to the beach and we also got lunch. I had the most delish veggie pasta. It was so good. I actually loved that sauce that's on it. And we looked at a couple stores. I really wanted to get a souvenir and there were some cute stores around too. And then we had ice cream and I got the cutest ice cream shaped like a heart.
I am back in the room. I am so tired. We went ziplining this morning. We literally got up at 7:30 and we're out the door by 8:30. And then we ziplined for like 3 hours. It was so much fun though. It was so green and so pretty. And we went on so many. I think we ended up doing 5 ziplines. And then we got lunch afterwards and walked on the beach. But I am so tired. I was just going through my Instagram DMs and responding to you guys. I didn't realize how many of you guys actually live here. I have like so many Costa Rica fans, which is so sick. So I'm responding to all of you guys. This is our last day at this house. Tomorrow morning we're leaving at 7 a.m. Leaving at 7 a.m. Like I have to be ready, be packed so early. I'm just trying to enjoy this house before we leave tomorrow and we go to the last house of this trip. But tomorrow we have a long ass drive. We're gonna be driving for like 8 or 9 hours. We're going to the complete opposite side of the country. It's gonna definitely take a while. I've also just been trying to post as much as possible on my Instagram story, especially on this trip. I want to keep you guys updated on there. I spend so much time going through my pictures, editing pictures, and figuring out the order that I want to post in on my story. So many of you guys are asking if I'm vlogging this trip, and yes, I'm so excited that you guys are excited for these vlogs too.
For dinner tonight, I actually had pasta again. This was so bomb, and I had a glass of wine, which was delish. And then we were back at home packing. I wanted to pack as much as I could the night before because we had to wake up so early in the morning to drive to the next house.
Alright, I'm changing out of this outfit and we're packing everything up. We're leaving so early in the morning at like 7, so I'm only gonna leave out my toothbrush and my clothes for the morning. I'm gonna do my makeup in the car. We are packing everything up.
So pretty much this entire day we were just in the car driving to the next house. It ended up being a 10.5-hour drive, which was literally insane. But to keep my siblings and I busy, then we drew a lot, which was so fun. And I ate my favorite snack, literally this sugar bread stuff. So good. I also needed to go through my camera roll and just delete a bunch of stuff because I was like out of space on this phone. I also snacked on these chips and we stopped later for lunch. But it was really fun going all the way across the country because I got to see so much of it. 10.5 hours in the car was crazy, but I was happy when we finally made it to the next house. So that is the end of this vlog. I'm going to continue to the third and last vlog of this trip and I'll show you guys the next house. So thank you so much for watching. I love you all so much and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!